Hey guys, it's Amour. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble amigurumi parts using two different methods, which I'm going to demonstrate with this Mario mushroom. One of them is going to be the whip stitch, which I joined using the stock in the mushroom cap right here. You can kind of see the join parts right here, the diagonal red lines right there. And then I'm going to also show you the seamless stitch join, which I use on these mushrooms right here. Can't really see the stitches so much. You can kind of see if I lift it up a bit. But basically, that one is joined so that it goes in between the crochet stitches right here so that it becomes an invisible join. Alright, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So for the whip stitch, what I'm going to do is I want to make sure to line up my different stitches. So this one lines up right here. Then I'm going to use my long tail, which I have from this mushroom cap here. Then I am going to go under. And then I'm going to go under the same stitch right here. Okay, and pull it through. Okay, now I'm going to go to the next stitch. I'm going to go over. And then I'm going to go under both stitches again right here. I'm going to pull it through. And I'm going to repeat all around. And then what I want to do to make sure that my stitch doesn't come out is I'm going to make a knot here. So that's the whip stitch, and I like to use it when colors are the same, and I'll also use it often to sew on legs and arms like in this fluffy unicorn tutorial right here. Okay, now for the second type of join I like to do, I'm going to call it a seamless stitch. I'm actually going to go under, let's click right here and go up. And then I like to go in between the stitch right here. So I'm going to pull that through all the way through. And then into the next stitch right here, I'm going to go in between the stitches. So that way, when this yarn comes through, it gets hidden in between. And then I'm going to go underneath through one of the holes here. And then I'm going to continue to go in between. So that way when I'm attaching, you don't really see any seams there versus these seams right here, because they're being hidden in between the stitches. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the circle. You can see how it looks like. And then at the end, we can go ahead and make a little knot and then pull it through to the other side, and then cut the yarn and it'll get sucked right in. The seamless stitch is great to use when you want an invisible join. I'll use it when I'm sewing on appliques or when parts are a different color. I'll also use it when sewing things onto a face, such as this bill on this Psyduck here. So here's my power up completed. If you haven't made the mushroom yet and would like to crochet it, I'll link the tutorial in the description box below, along with my fluffy unicorn and Psyduck as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next video.